Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to message someone on RedNote. If you want to send a private messages to someone on RedNote, you can do it using the app's messaging feature. So in order to do that, firstly open the RedNote app. And once you get into this interface of a RedNote, to start a new conversation, tap the message in the bottom. So from here you can simply select any of the profile, or over here you can also select continuous messaging, as I'm going to select one of the profile to message. And here you need to tap to this message icon there. And after that you can type your message in the text box at the bottom of the screen. And after that you can select send in the bottom right. And that is it. That's how you can message someone on RedNote. And once a message is sent, you can continue the conversation through your inbox whenever the other person replies. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.